What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. My voice is still not 100%, so I might clear my throat a bit. Apologize for that. Okay, so today I had this idea that I wanted to get back to my roots of art when I was a child, and I want to finger paint, but I want to finger paint using cell activator. So these are the colors we're going to use. We got a cadmium red DPU. Excuse me. We have a medium red, fluorescent red, medium magenta, and then this really cool red metallic from this little piggy. And then of course there's going to be some white interspersed in there because of the white house paint that we use for the base coat. So I hope everybody's doing wonderful today. How are you guys doing? I decided to write a message on the canvas, and it's just love. But how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing wonderful. I am doing fantastic. Yeah, I don't know. I think I got some little bug or something. I think that's why my throat's acting up. But it's okay. It's not a big deal. I mean, I'm definitely not going to stop painting because of it. You know what I'm saying? Just feel weird. I feel like just lethargic, but it's cool. Alright. So, that's our pillow. Let me get this color go out of the way before I ruin it. Let me get this paint off my gloves. And we're going to start. Because this is exciting. I love doing this kind of stuff. Because this is just some weird idea I had. But with that, let's just go, right? We're just going to go. Now, I don't want to completely coat it. I want to have some white. So, I mean, I'm just going to spread this around like intuitively, you know what I'm saying? Just around the canvas. It doesn't need to be, as you see, I'm just dripping everywhere. And a little bit of this fluorescent red there. I mean, that's one of the great things about art, right? Like, do what you want to do. I'm feeling like a kid today, so. Now this is a little bit more thin, so I'm gonna have to be a little careful. But I do want it in there, definitely. All right, there we go. It looks like a hot mess right now, but I have faith, y'all. And y'all gotta have faith with me, because this is gonna be dope. Yeah, I like that. That's cool looking. Alright, so I'm just taking some cell activator. I have a cleaner glove. I wiped it off. I'm just dipping my finger in it. And then I'm just gonna make little finger swipes. And you can see that that black is just sinking, huh? Which is okay. Now, if you're gonna keep doing this, make sure you clean your finger off really well, because then you're gonna start introducing whatever colors of paint into the mix there. Yeah, that was a little heavier swipe, so I'm starting to expose a little bit of that white underneath, which is what I was going for. Alright, let's go. Yeah, buddy. And it feels really good to just be free to do whatever it is you want to do. No real rhyme or reason. Completely intuitive and abstract. It's just awesome. And this cell activator just makes this really cool effect going on. Now I'm going to want a little bit white in the middle. So, there we go. So when I do the swipes, I got to push a little harder because that's the only way for me to get down to that white layer. There we go. I just dragged a big swath of it. But we're not really happy about that. So, there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't you know? Sorry guys. I'm feeling a little weird today. But kind of weird every day. Just it's a little more tame on my videos. There we go. I like that one. Now you got to kind of keep in mind too, the more you do this, the colors are going to start to blend more and mix. And if that's something that you're worried about, then be careful with it, okay? Alright, I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see, maybe one or two more little swipes. Because I know when I spin it, all this stuff in the middle is going to spread. And I want it to still have some cool stuff going on when it does. Well, that created a really cool crisp line going on. There's not much here. So it's just happy little accidents going on. I like that. That's got like a swirl look to it, and it's really cool. Alright, so I'm going to take my gloves off and move some of this stuff out of the way. Because I need to change my gloves when I spin it. I guess I don't need to change them, but I kind of want to change them, you know? Alright, let me get all this stuff out the way. But yeah, I'm still creating, you guys. I just feel weird. I feel off today. A little wonky. If that makes sense. Alright, let's do this, huh? Alright, so I'm just going to gently spin it. I'm not going to spin it hard. I want to expand all that stuff going on. Now this definitely isn't exactly the same as the idea that was in my head, but I love it. It looks really cool. Oh yeah, look at that thing. That red metallic in there, oh my goodness. That's beautiful. And I love like the really sharp lines from when I was dragging. It's almost like a marble pour, but it was with cell activator in my finger instead. That is cool. One thing I don't like is that. So I don't want to keep spinning it too much. But, oh goodness. Alright. But I want to push some of that off. Some of that. It's not a good look. It's just not, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So actually that opened it up more and created a little bit more contrast in that little swipe right there. That's cool. Yep. That's it right there. That is so cool looking. Alright, let me bring you guys down. I want you guys to check this thing out because that metallic in there is stunning. Just check out these metallics in here. Yeah, I really like this one. This one looks really cool. My only regret is that I only did it on a 10 by 10. I'm gonna have to make a bigger one. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.